Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a full face of makeup using only affordable products I swear by. Like literally I'm never giving these up. First I'm using this Inside Cosmetics color corrector palette. I'm taking the orange shade to correct my dark circles and a little bit around my mouth. Just apply a tiny amount. Don't overdo it or it will look heavy. Blend it properly so it melts into your skin. Also I'm using this yellowish bright shade to neutralize the orange shade and highlight my under eye area, also around my mouth, nose and forehead. Because I'm not using foundation, I'm gonna skip foundation. I'm just gonna apply concealer, blending it properly. And trust me, if you know how to blend properly, your face gonna look so much better. Blending is the key guys, trust me. And I'm using these clips because मेरे बाल बार बार आगे आ रहे थे और मुझे बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था. जब तक मेरा बेस अच्छे से सेट नहीं होता है, ब्लेंड अच्छे से नहीं होता है, मुझे सुकून नहीं मिलता है गाइस. एंड ऑल्सो रिमेंबर, अगर आप ब्रश यूज करते हो टू ब्लेंड योर क्रीम प्रोडक्ट्स, देन मेक श्योर आप एक बार ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर से एक बार अच्छे से डैप करके फिर से ब्लेंड कर देना, तब बेस बहुत ही अच्छा होता है, फ्लॉलेस होता है. नाउ गोइंग इन विथ द स्विस ब्यूटी कंसीलर. आई लव दिस because it's super lightweight but still gives good coverage. I'm applying it under my eyes, on my forehead, nose and chin. And honestly, I have been using this concealer for a very long time. It is the best concealer under a budget, especially when you are a beginner. You don't need to spend your money on expensive concealers because this does the job so perfectly. Also, when you apply your concealer, keep it for 30 seconds or 1 minute to set, and then वो बहुत ही अच्छा कवरेज देता है. Again, जो इनसाइड कॉस्मेटिक्स का कलर करेक्टर पैलेट था, वहाँ से आई टुक दिस कॉन्टोर शेड एंड मैंने थोड़ा सा अपने नोज को शेप दिया. एंड नाउ फॉर ब्लश, आई एम यूजिंग मार्स ब्लश इन द शेड ट्वाइलाइट. आई स्वेयर दिस ब्लश इज माई फेवरेट एंड इतना ज़्यादा पिगमेंटेशन है. दिस इज so good. And especially, again I'm telling you, if you're a beginner, go ahead, buy this blush. And this shade goes on for every skin tone girlies, like warm, cool tone, and it looks really good. बट यहाँ पे मैं कैमरा में मेकअप करते करते बहुत ज़्यादा ब्लश लगा लिया था और मैं जोकर जैसी लग रही थी वहाँ. आई नो, बट इट्स ओके, वी कैन फिक्स इट. मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा ब्लेंड किया इसको एंड उसके बाद आई फिक्स्ड इट समहाउ. टू सेट एवरीथिंग, आई एम यूजिंग द मार्स लूज पाउडर. Slightly set under your eyes and T-zone so it doesn't crease. Don't bake too much. We want it to look smooth, not dry. And I'll just dust it off because मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा matte base नहीं चाहिए. एंड एक्चुअली मेरा ब्लश थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा हो गया था, सो न्यूट्रलाइज करने के लिए मैंने थोड़ा सा अपने ब्लश के ऊपर भी पाउडर लगा लिया है. फॉर आईज आई एम यूजिंग टू पैलेट्स. मार्स न्यूड पैलेट फॉर अ सॉफ्ट बेस एंड Forever 52 Blue Lava eyeshadow palette for a pop of color, and their shimmers are to die for. I love the shimmer. First I'm applying a nude brown shade in the crease. Then again Forever 52 के palette से I took this dark brown shade for that wing shape. And I don't know at this point, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था मैं क्या क्रिएट करूँ, क्या बनाऊँ. But then I thought okay, let's go with the flow, and I think it turned out pretty well. और वही brown shade मैंने नीचे भी लगाया है for that smoky look. I mean, we can maybe connect on my Instagram as well. And yeah, please, why don't you guys suggest me some content ideas? I mean, what kind of content you wanna watch, kind of contents you actually enjoy related to beauty, fashion, lifestyle. And yeah, do let me know in the comments. Then adding a little shimmer on the lid, and for some drama I'm using a blue shade from the Forever 52 palette on the outer corner. I mean, just a very little. थोड़ा I don't know इसको क्या कहते हैं, monochrome or holographic, but yeah. And for eyeliner, I'm going with Inside Cosmetics again. I don't know, for some reasons their products are very affordable but not cheap. I mean, the quality is really good. I'm using their eyeliner with thin if you want a clean everyday look. And I forgot to shoot my mascara part. I'll tell you which mascara I have used. It's Maybelline Sky High mascara, the pink one. I mean, it's really good. I've been using it for a few months and the results are awesome. But also, if you want affordable mascara, then you can go for the Mars Double Trouble mascara. It's awesome. Here comes my favorite part, lip combo. I mean, I love doing my lips. I love experimenting with different lip liners, different lipsticks. And this shade, the lip liner shade, is chocolate brown, I guess, from Mars Cosmetics. Most of the products are from Mars Cosmetics because they have the best affordable options. Also, the lipstick I've used, you guys might be curious which shade, but I'll tell you which shade. This is from Swiss Beauty in the shade very nude, but there's a problem. ये lipstick discontinue हो चुका है. I don't know if you can find it because जब भी मैंने इसका लिंक शेयर करने की कोशिश किया है वो discontinue ही था और out of stock होता था. Using Inside Cosmetics lip gloss, and that's it. And tell me how you like it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next one.